A fight in the Senate over whether to confirm the next Supreme Court justice before the November election is putting more scrutiny on the 2010 healthcare law, which will be the subject of oral arguments before the High Court a week after Election Day. Since the death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg has changed the makeup of the court, the fate of the healthcare law, also known as the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare, is more unknown, ahead of oral arguments in a lawsuit backed by President Donald Trump seeking to overturn the law. Democrats especially have framed the open Supreme Court seat around this lawsuit. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi over the weekend said that she believed Republicans wanted to see a ninth justice to be on the bench ahead of the oral arguments on November 10th.
They want to overturn the Affordable Care Act.
Former Vice President Joe Biden drew a link between the lawsuit and the risk to pre-existing conditions protections included in the healthcare law and the millions of Americans who have been sick with COVID-19.
He's in the Supreme Court saying get rid of pre-existing conditions.
Democratic candidates, including Biden and those running for Congress, had already been focusing on healthcare in their paid advertisements and on their campaign websites, according to different analyses.
Without Governor Bullock, there are thousands of families who would never be able to afford healthcare coverage.
Now, Democrats hope that message will be strengthened by the Supreme Court fight. President Donald Trump and his administration have continued to say he is going to release a healthcare plan before the election and that plan would protect people with pre-existing conditions.
What we're doing is we're going to be doing a healthcare plan, protecting people with pre-existing conditions.
Congressional Republicans also say they'll protect pre-existing conditions.
While Obamacare was a failure, I support protecting people with pre-existing conditions,
which were guaranteed to be covered and at the same cost as others under the ACA. Prior to Ginsburg's death, healthcare had been falling lower on the list of voters' priorities, behind issues like the economy, COVID-19, criminal justice and policing, and race relations. Democrats are hopeful the lawsuit will now be more prevalent to voters, while Republicans are also focusing on other issues in the run-up to Election Day.